Sakubona mfundi, unjani? Siphekani namuhla? So that's a very common question in the house. And what does it mean? Siphekani namuhla? It means what are we cooking today? Okay. So some of the common answers you will get when you ask the question siphekani namuhla are mina ngikhanuka amakhowa. What do you think that means? Mina ngikhanuka amakhowa. I miss mushrooms. So amakhowa means mushrooms. And ngikhanuka means I miss. Okay. So if you want to tell someone I miss you, you say ngiyakukhanuka. Ngiyakukhanuka. Alright. So you also use it when you're talking about food. I miss beans. Ngikhanuka indumba. I miss meat. Ngikhanuka inyama. Alright. So that's one way someone can answer the question. Another way would be kudala sagcina ukudla inyama yemvu. Kudala sagcina ukudla inyama yemvu. Can you try and figure that out? So kudala sagcina, it means it's been long since we ate we said what? Lamb meat. Okay. It's been long since we had sheep meat. Kudala sagcina ukudla inyama yemvu. So somebody could answer the question like that, meaning they are suggesting that you cook lamb meat. All right. Another way would be mina ngifuna ukudla ichagada. What does that mean? It means I want to eat samp. All right. You ask the questions phekani namuhla. What are we cooking? And they say mina ngifuna ukudla ichagada. All right. So they're telling you what they want. Maybe you should take it into consideration and cook chagada for them. Okay. And then there's a more direct response to that question. And the direct response starts like this. Asipheke i-dash. Meaning, let's cook this or that. Since the question was, what are we cooking? And the answer then becomes, asipheke indumba. Alright? Sipheka namuhla. Asipheke indumba. Let's cook beans. Okay? And how would you say, let's cook okra? Asipheke idelele. Let's cook meat. Asipheke inyama. How about let's cook chicken? Asipheke inyama yenkukhu. Okay? Let's cook chicken. How would you say let's cook pap today? Asipheke isichwala namuhla. And let's cook intestines. Intestines. Asipheke amathumbu. All right? How would you say let's cook rice today? Asipheke rice namuhla. All right? So that is more direct. Sipheka namuhla, asipheke amathumbu. Sipheka namuhla, asipheke imbida. Imbida is the green veggies. Okay. Sipheka namuhla, asipheke inyama yembuzi. Let's cook goat meat. All right. So that's how it goes. Okay. So now I want you also to be able to say, I am cooking this, I am cooking that. All right. How do you say I am cooking beans? Ngipheka indumba, isn't it? How would you say I'm cooking pap? Ngipheka isichwala. I'm cooking okra today. Ngipheka idelele namuhla. I'm cooking pumpkin leaves. Ngipheka ibhobola. What about I'm cooking sheep meat? Ngipheka inyama yemvu. I'm cooking goat meat today. Ngipheka inyama yembuzi namuhla. All right. So you want to make conversation, right? So it's not always you just saying, I'm cooking this. Sometimes you want to be the one asking someone what they are cooking. So how do you ask the question, what are you cooking? Uphekani. Okay. What are you cooking? Uphekani. How about what are you cooking today? Uphekani namuhla. What are you cooking right now? Uphekani khathesi. Okay. And then sometimes you want to ask like this. You want to say, are you cooking beans? Okay. How do you ask that one? So you're going to say, upheka indumba. That's how you say, are you cooking beans? Okay. But if you also wanted to say, you are cooking beans, it's the same words. You also say, upheka indumba. So the difference is in the way you say it. When you're saying, you are cooking beans, it sounds like, upheka indumba. It's flat. But when it's a question, you say, upheka indumba. Then I know you're saying, are you cooking beans? Okay. So how do you say, are you cooking pap? Upheka isitshwala. Are you cooking rice? Upheka rice. Are you cooking meat? Upheka inyama. Okay? Are you cooking okra? Upheka idelele. What about, are you cooking pumpkin leaves? Upheka ibhobola. All right. Do you get this? All right. So that's how we talk about cooking in Ndebele. All right. So you need to take note of the what? The way we say sipheka, meaning we are cooking, versus what? Ngipheka, I am cooking. All right. Yes. So that's what I have for you for in this lesson, and you're going to find the assignment in the chapter material. All right. So please go ahead and do the assignment. Submit it before you move on to the next lesson. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Usale kuhle, ngizakubona kusifundo esilandelayo. Bye bye.